Hey everyone, if you want to access a remote PC using AnyDesk in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you the full step-by-step process to connect, control, and manage another computer safely. First, make sure AnyDesk is installed on both computers. Without installation on both sides, the remote connection won't work. Next, open AnyDesk on both the local and remote computers. Yeah, you'll see a unique AnyDesk address on the remote PC. Now on your computer, type the remote PC's AnyDesk address into the remote desk field. This is how the connection starts. Click Connect to send a request. So the remote PC will receive a prompt asking for permission. On the remote computer, click Accept to allow access. Without approval, the session won't start. If unattended access is enabled, you may need to enter a password instead. Yeah, this adds an extra layer of secure login. Once connected, you can fully control the remote PC. You can open files, run applications, browse the internet, and fix issues remotely. You can also transfer files using drag and drop or the file manager. Yeah, this is useful for quickly sending documents and media. If the connection is slow, reduce display quality for smoother performance. So, lower settings help improve responsiveness. When you're finished, disconnect from the toolbar. This safely ends your remote session. And that's it. You've successfully accessed a remote PC using AnyDesk. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.